Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are done with the project, built a test site or want to permanently remove GoDaddy website builder site, deleting it is the clean final step in 2026. The key is knowing exactly what gets deleted and what does not. So most mistakes happen because people confuse delete versus unpublish versus cancel plan. So we will make it crystal clear. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to delete a GoDaddy websites builder sites in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, log into GoDaddy. So go to websites in this dashboard. You will see a list of your sites. Okay, so as you can see here. Make sure you are selecting the correct website. So open the website dashboard, not the editor. So click the website you want to remove. Stay on the dashboard page. Okay. Deletion is done from settings, not the editor. So open site settings. Okay. You have to find it here if your account is upgraded. Okay. So after that, you will have a list of options. Scroll down carefully, find delete site and click it. Confirm deletion when prompted. GoDaddy will ask you to confirm site name, acknowledge permanent deletion. So once confirmed, the site is removed immediately. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.